Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So here's another BTS hoodie. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is the black hoodie with like purplish graphics. Let's go ahead and check it out. So on the back, got the BTS, and then Jungkook, V, Jin, Hyuga, Jimin, J-Hope, Rap Monster, and there's I'm not sure, this is like a rose, looks like a rose to me on the sleeve. And then this is what it looks like on the back, the hood. And on the front, you got this big BTS. And there's your pouch pocket right here. And this is 65% cotton, 35% polyester, and made in China. And this care instruction. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.